All
Tell me
right.
when.
Ready when you are.
Hi everybody. So on one of the episodes this season, I made a fluffernutter. I didn't get to go into like detail, so I'm here right now to make the perfect fluffernutter, and I'm going to show you how. Starts with this Wonder Bread, or some sort of nice white, light, airy bread. Boom, boom. And then you need some marshmallow fluff, the key ingredient. Fluffernutters, I found out, originated in Massachusetts. You can't get fluff everywhere. Call up Amazon or something to order it online if you don't have it at your store. And then you need some creamy peanut butter. Chunky, if you're a chunky person, but I'm not. All right, so then you got a nice, generous helping of peanut butter, and look at how nicely that spreads. Wow. And then my biggest pet peeve, I'll tell you, is when the peanut butter goes into the fluff. Ryan is notorious for getting the peanut butter into the fluff. Probably a little bit's gonna get in there. Then you take a nice scoop of that fluff, and then you spread it out. And then guess what? Boom, voila, slap it together. There is your perfect fluffernutter sandwich. But it's not perfect until, all right guys, triangles or squares?
Triangles.
Triangles?
All the above.
All right. We're gonna triangle it up. You guys all like crust, right? Come on. All right. One for you. One for you.
Thank you.
Oh.
You're welcome. Hold on.
Elegant.
We're gonna cheers them together. One for
Yay!
you. All right. Cheers to the fluffernutter.
To the fluff.
To the block.
Cheers.
The most simple yet delicious.
Finger looking good.
How'd I do?
Look pretty good.
Right.